morning, everybody. This your boy, Smitty. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here again, and you already know what I'm already out here doing. Smoking. So as you see right now, I'm running a little hot today. You know what I'm saying? Today is June 23rd. You know what I'm saying? Doing a cook for a good friend that's celebrating a milestone in history. So just look up Juneteenth and every barbecue at halftime. Just look up, very interesting concept for some. Right now though, I have running a little hot today. Yeah. She's running hot. She's running hot. Ooh, you should run it long. Bang over. You have to see all this. Running all in the tank. Oh, I'm about to wrap up a few, y'all. So, chicken going. Get some in. Can't tell already. It's about that time. Bones are pulling. Get you that zoom in on. Look at that chicken. I done hit it with nothing crazy too much. I didn't hit it with too much. Chicken looking good. Yeah, everything up here I got. Yeah, it's time to start doing some work up here, y'all. Alright now. You can see I'm just doing what I'm trying to do, what I do best, man. Alright then, y'all. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I'm back. Whew, it's running. This thing got me running. So, rule number one. I always have one of these. Well, I'm using the Thermal Pro. So, this is what I'm going with right now. Check my chicken. I'm at 165. Got you looking. Oh. Okay. Excuse me, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Get a good look. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So, Oh, yeah. I love having this little nose in there, man, just for extra, another one to look at. Everyone has their own quartz, and I have a thermal pan. I know I'm overdoing too much of this. But, yeah, I'm just doing this a quick little, smoking this chicken for a friend of mine, having a little get-together in the park coming up soon. So we're going to shake the temp on it. Bring y'all with me. So, get the number on that. I'm going this piece right here in the front by the doors. She ain't dead yet, but she getting an owl. Shouldn't take much more. And I know I got some pizza here already done that need to be pulled. You see what I got right here. This one they was in the back. Oh yeah, ready. Been ready. But they so moist though. I'm working with. Let's see what we got right. Too ready. Alright. So yeah. Top rack's my hot rack, like I already told everybody else. The other racks, I would just had to get the chicken up because the temp wasn't hitting right on them. So I'm gonna go through, poke and check the rest of these, and bring them down to the other level and let them sit in there and roll a little bit. All right, then, y'all. One. See you in a few. Now, come on now. Come on now. There you go. Yes, sir.